Hello, and welcome back. I've been opening baseball cards, and I don't know, I've never had a card graded before, but this may be the time to see about this. Of this series here. Oh dear, oh dear, that did not go well. Oh, here we are. There are perhaps the odd valuable thing, even though they're from 1900. For example, I find here 1981 O-PEE-CHEE Premier Ken Griffey Jr. card. Yep, that's the same. And it is selling for $172.65. Now, it has been graded. I can't imagine this card would be um, that's $172.65 Canadian. And delivery, and I guess it's all done. I have to check into what's involved in getting a card um, graded and put in its secret little thing. But I will check into that because it seems worth it. There's also Chipper Jones, which I did not see amongst this. Um, I did not. Oh, maybe that's a different. I see other things on here, but it's hard to tell. The pictures are so small. It's $300.69, but it might be from a different series. It is really hard. Yeah, it looks like it has more. Oh, is that a Topps card? But yet it says O-PEE-CHEE. Oh, he was the #1 draft pick. I see. Anyway, others I see along here that are. Oh, let's see here. Who is this? Oh, no, that is not what I had in mind. Oops, go back. Um, Nolan Ryan. I know he was in there. Oh, it's not even. This one is not graded, but it's $43.16. Then there's a lot that are, just. Oh, John Olerud's worth $1.44. I think I'll keep him. Well, I think. And then there's whole sets of these. Not whole sets, but like unopened packs. Because you never know what you're going to find. Oh, what is this? 1991 O-PEE-CHEE Kurt Schilling. $1,150. Okay, but this looks different. This looks different. It's got more stuff on it. It looks more elaborate. It does. But the Ken Griffey looks the same. Dave Winfield, $12.93. Graded. Nolan Ryan, $7.94. Anyway, it may be worth investigating. It might be. Maybe. It will. Yeah, there's Ken Griffey Jr. But of course, if you want the big bucks, you gotta get graded. I have no idea what's involved in that. O-PEE-CHEE Premier Baseball something. Who is this? graded card, George Brett. $45 America, nor $64.74 Canadian. I think he was in there. So maybe I should check into such things. Who is this? No, that's a hockey card. O-PEE-CHEE Premier. That's what I have here. Who's this? Benny Santiago. That looks familiar. $49.99 American. Well, as I say, I should check into what's involved in getting cards graded. These, of course, just came out of the pack. They have never been opened, never been touched until today. Never, ever, 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 ever. So, maybe I need to investigate. Perhaps I do. Even Dave Winfield is $12.93 Canadian. Once again, condition matters. Ooh, Kirk Gibson, $2.81. People are selling the packs of 7 cards for, well, I guess a variety, $1.99. Nolan Ryan, but graded. Yep, grading makes a big difference. Anyway, I will find out more about these things and how. I'm clicking on things, but nothing is happening. Why is nothing happening here? Alright, I'm going to go to the top here. Wipe everything out. I would like to get back to Google. I would Google. Alright, I'm going to put in a thing. How much does it cost to get cards graded? PSA Canada trading card. PSA is the largest respected third-party authorization. Yeah. Oh my. Cost of grading cards varies widely depending on the card's value, the grading service, and how quickly you want it done. While fees can range from $12, as little as $12, to over $500 per card, grading is often worth the investment for high-value cards. Is PSA really $100 per card? Their economy service with no subgrades. The card commands $20 cards and $35 with subgrades. Express service costs $100 cards with no subgrades. I don't even know what that means. Is it worth getting cards graded? Truth is, the answer isn't usually the one that most want to hear. Much to the surprise of novice collectors, getting cards graded does not always increase their value. In fact, most cards, once graded, will return less than if they were sold raw. How rare. There are only 3 PSA 10 grades of the hobby's most valuable card, or 0.18% of the total. Can you get cards graded in Canada? I understand how frustrating and concerning it is when your card grading takes over a year. That is why we are taking our TCG experience and providing professional grading services. We understand the frustration with waiting, which is why we took all of our TCG experience and now offer card grading in Canada. COBA, fast and precise. Well, is it better to sell cards graded or ungraded? Graded cards offer security and generally high returns, making them ideal for serious investors and high-end collectors. Ungraded is the safest move unless you're absolutely certain you'll garner a NM-MT or better grade. How many PSI 10 Charizards are there? So Charizard has always been the most popular, and most hit points for all of them in each set. And it's just a fan favorite. I mean, it's been ranked the number one Pokemon forever, and there are only 123 of them in existence in PSA 10 First Edition. That's, of course, a Pokemon card. Well, can you grade your own cards? Collectors should undoubtedly look into self-grading their own cards. The more you learn about how grading works, the better you can decide if you want to spend the money on a card grade. The more collectors become involved with card grading, the more acceptable it becomes to buy and sell ungraded or raw cards. I'll have to ponder this. I shall. But certainly, I will carefully put these away to make sure they don't get bent or twisted. And certainly no rubber band or anything of that nature. Anyway, ooh. Thanks for coming. If you have any advice on cards, I don't know much. I really don't. But thank you. Thanks for coming. David Bradley in the TV room, signing off. Bye for now.